Hey Russell fam, this is quarantine day. I don't know, I've lost track. But today I'm going to show you some more homeschooling fun and some fun things that we have done to keep the kids active. Be back in just a second. Okay, today we are on, like I said earlier, quarantine day, whatever, I've lost count. And we have found some fun school projects that we were doing. In this video, you're going to see where Bailey has been studying his medieval times in the Rome to Reformation curriculum from My Father's World, and we built a castle. And then for some of Becca's schoolwork, we filmed the Saxon kindergarten level recipe experiment, so you'll see some of that video. And also you're going to see where Bailey's karate school has started doing Zoom classes, and that is helping keep the kids active tremendously because they can do as many classes as they want. We're just doing it via computer, and Becca has decided that she wants to do karate as well. So now she gets to take some of the classes right along with him. So I hope you enjoy these highlights. All right, today we are going to make a castle. It's going to look like this, and this is from My Father's World, Rome to Reformation Curriculum. We are studying medieval times. And it comes with instructions, and you have to cut everything out, and you follow all the instructions like this. There we go, there's steps. And then it's going to end up looking like this. So here we go, we're going to get started building. see people in the tower. The drawbridge opens over the moat. There's the tower. And you've got people back here. And so that is what it looks like. And you can turn it. Oh, somebody fell over. And there's the back.
German. Oh, someone else fell over.
Oh, we'll fix it in a second. I'm just trying to show everybody the sides. There's that. One more turn. And there's Bailey's flag. There's Becca's flag. And this is the Russell Castle. All right, this is Saxon Level K, lesson 67, and we are identifying 1 cup measuring cup and following a recipe. So for this experiment, you need a measuring cup, 3 large clear bottles or jars, food coloring, yellow and blue, a funnel, and a note card. And on the note card, you're going to write the instructions like this. You're going to leave this blank. And so we're going to do 2 cups of yellow, 2 cups of blue. So today we were going to learn how to follow a recipe. What is a recipe? It is directions for making something. If you want to cook something and you weren't sure how much to make or to follow a recipe, would it turn out right?
No.
No, it would not.
Not very much. No.
So today you will learn how to follow a recipe to mix yellow and blue colored water to make a different color. So all right. I don't have a 1 cup measuring cup, which they tell you to use, so we're going to use our 2 cup measuring cup. So Becca, look, this is 1 cup, which is down here, and this is our, how many cups is that?
2 cups.
2 cups, that's what that is. Okay, so now we are going to put, let's look at our recipe. How many cups of yellow?
2 cups of yellow.
2 cups of yellow. So I'm going to pour.
Hey, it kind of looks like Gatorade.
Yeah.
All right, and it says use plastic. I don't have plastic, so this is glass, and we're going to let Becca pour it in here. And we're doing it over the sink because it's making a mess. There we go.
And now I need to do the blue.
Yep. Will you hand me a paper towel?
We need to wipe that up before it stains.
Yep.
Technical difficulties. Oh, phew, it didn't stain yet.
No, it didn't stain. It's good. All right. So, oh, hand me that.
Oh, you need that again?
It's on the bottom of this. All right. So now,
I got the bottom of it this time. Oh, that looks so good. I like that color.
all right, your favorite color is blue. All right, so you're going to pour 2 cups in there.
How is it doing that?
I should have moved it over a little more.
We see our green solution.
Hang on a second.
Oh. As you can see, we have a fancy colored solution.
Green
Solution.
All right, so I'm taking a wooden skewer and stirring it up. So, yeah, go start. All right, so what color water did we make?
Green.
Green, and we followed our recipe, so we need to write what up here? What color?
Green.
Green. This needs to be our green water recipe. So how much did we put in there?
2 cups of yellow, 2 cups of blue.
That's right. So
Stir for a little bit.
this is how we make
Green water.
green water solution.
Can we drink it?
Okay, I hope you enjoyed those highlights. It gave you some fun ideas and some things for you to do at home with your kids. The stained glass project started out as a homeschool project where they were just doing one stained glass a piece, and then we just decided that we were just going to keep going and have some fun and do the entire door window in stained glass. So that was just something we enjoyed doing. So if you have something fun, leave me a comment below so maybe we can try it and we'll post it in one of our videos. Hope you have a great day. Remember, be kind to each other, practice safe social distancing, and hopefully all of this will be over soon. Bye.